interesting finds we've had so far in this excavation, Miss Stout.
This has been so interesting that we have found all of these goods around this skeleton.
I agree. I think that this might be one of the richest burials that's ever been excavated in this particular cemetery.
It's amazing.
It is kind of amazing. You know, there's a lot of evidence for graveside rituals here, but I need proof to back up my theories.
What kind of proof do you need?
Well, for example, I suspect there was an ancient foot washing exercise that happened before they buried the body.
Really?
I do. But the problem with this is I can't really tell just looking at it how close this plate and this cup is from the foot.
Perhaps we should mark out on our grid where these things are so that when we get back to the office we can determine all of these measurements.
I think you're right. I think the only proof really is the numbers here, so let's go for it.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and sketch this grid that we've got here on my paper so that we can mark where we have found things.
Perfect.
Now the next thing we need to know is how far everything is from our grid.
That's right. And I need to know specifically how far this cup is from the foot.
All right, so if we want to find the distance between 2 points, if we can find out their locations on the grid, we can use the distance formula.
The Pythagorean theorem?
It does involve the Pythagorean theorem. Excellent. All right, so let's first measure how far the cup is from the axis over there.
Fantastic. I'm going to teach you a little trick that I use in archaeology. I'm going to swing this back and forth, and when the number is smallest, that means it's the most short line between 2 points. So right here we're at 40 centimeters.
40 centimeters. All right, so we are, if this is the skull up here, 40 centimeters down here.
That's right.
And then how far is it from the other
That's a good question.
axis?
Okay, I'm going to swing it. We're right at 80 centimeters.
All right, 80 centimeters. So it's 40 centimeters below what we would call the x-axis and 80 centimeters to the right of the y-axis. Now all we need is the plate.
Fantastic.
Is it the plate or the foot?
It's the foot that I'm really more
The foot.
interested in.
All right.
I need to prove this foot theory. I'm going to swing it. All right, we're right at 10.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and mark where the foot is right here. It is 10, that's my y.
Fantastic. And then from the x, I should say, right?
Yes.
I don't want to step on that pelvis.
No, don't want to disrupt it.
Really embarrassing. All right, we're at 70.
Perfect. 70. And now, when we get back, we can check and see how far exactly those are apart.
Miss Stout, will you teach me how to do it?
Thank you so much for your help.
Nice working with you.